Actually, here we see the word Swadhamna, His internal potency of the Lord. Actually, the Lord's internal potency manifests herself in so many different ways. And this potency of the Lord is divinely connected by the Lord, to the Lord, and everyone who is a pure devotee is under the shelter of this divine energy. Actually, if anybody wants to see Krishna, one first has to get the mercy of the energy of the Lord in the form of the mercy of spiritual master, or by Krishna's associates, of course, of which the spiritual master is one. Other associates, after the spiritual master gives mercy, may also come. Prabhupada said that before you can see Jagannātha, first you will see Subhadra. Subhadra being the energy of the Lord, she is all compassionate. Then after Subhadra, then come Balaram, then finally you will see Jagannātha. The Lord's mercy is very compassionate. Before Dhruva Maharaj could see Narayan, first he saw Narada Muni. And by his mercy, he ultimately saw Narayana. By Narayan's mercy, he was empowered to glorify Narayan. Glorifying Narayan is not a material capacity. It is not possible for any material person to glorify the Lord perfectly. This is only possible by the mercy of Narayan, by the mercy of Krishna and his pure devotees. So, one thing is, as we see how the Dhamma means spiritual energy, the Dham is also spiritual, is the spiritual potency